person filming this found a way to completely shut down their cat.
Oh my god! You wanna go outside? You wanna go potty? Is it cold out there? You wanna go outside? Let's go to the bathroom. Come on. Oh, buddy, is it cold out there? It's not that cold today. Come on, Bubba, let's go outside. You can go outside, Bubba. It's okay. Come on. Let's go outside. No, why are you shivering? Why are you shivering, buddy? Oh, Bubba, it's not that cold out. I know. Come on, let's go outside. Okay, you don't have to go. Instantly stops.